Hi, it's Scott Harris from Brown Harris Stevens, and I am delighted to bring you 55 West 95th Street, apartment 24, which is a co-op between Columbus and Central Park West on 95th Street. This is a 2-bedroom convertible to 3 bedrooms, and you are looking at some of our static images, which are master bedroom, dining area, 2nd bedroom, dining, the 3rd home office / 3rd bedroom. And now as we go into the apartment, you can see immediately on your right is the 2nd bedroom, complete with through-the-wall air conditioning and a closet. You have your coat closet. Pretty much everything that you would see is really where it should be. The apartment is extraordinarily efficient, well laid out, high ceilings, half bath right in the hallway as you come in on the left. Everything was renovated very recently and extraordinarily well kept. The kitchen has a dual washer dryer, which could be expanded to be a top and bottom, a washer and dryer. Stainless steel appliances, great pantry space, over-the-counter microwave, windowed kitchen with glass shelving, and you get nice light here. We'll wind our way back into the living room. We also have 3D tour of this space, so you can look around as well, get a good sense of the space. Here's our master as well, big closet. This has a door that goes into the 3rd room, which really can be either a home office, it could be a dressing room, it could be a number of breakout spaces, including a small bedroom, if that's something that you were looking for. Again, this is a well-priced apartment in a perfect location on the Upper West Side. If you have questions, you'd like to tour this with us, please be in touch and have a great week. Thank you.